easily access the demo account in the Busy mobile app. Hello. Do you also want to experience the Busy mobile app before purchasing it? Then it's absolutely possible. Let's see how. First, download and install the Busy mobile app from the Play Store or App Store. You will see the Busy mobile app icon on your phone. Just tap on it and the app will open. As soon as you tap on Get Started, the login screen will appear where you'll see the Try Demo option. Simply click on it. And look, with just one click, the Busy mobile app is right in front of you. On the dashboard screen, you can view important figures, and from here you can also easily add transactions like invoice, sales return, sales order, receipt, sales quotation, payment, etc. Along with that, you can also view, print, and share 100 plus reports from the Busy app. So download and explore the Busy mobile app today. And for purchase, updates, or any assistance, call our 24/7 helpline number. For more videos and updates, subscribe to the channel.